Hello everyone. I just wanted to take a second to brag on Elias and George over at BadBoyz Cycles. These guys have gone beyond my expectations to accommodate me with a seat that is both stunning to look at and a pleasure to sit on. I originally ordered a Freedom Series seat from these guys, and I love that seat. It was very comfortable. It set me very low, and I was able to plant my feet very comfortably on the ground. The only problem that I had with the seat, it wasn't a problem, it was more so a need, was the passenger pillion was just a little too narrow for my passenger. She just wanted a little bit larger seating area for comfort. So I called up George, and George said, I got a seat that is currently a prototype that he's working some of the kinks out of, and he'd be happy to make me one. So took him a few weeks. He delivered a new Python seat. Now I want to tell you guys that I'm 5'5", so I'm a little on the short side. My requirements were that I was going to be able to reach the ground comfortably and also have the comfort as long and have the aesthetics to complement the rest of my bike. My bike is a 2023 Roadglide Limited built by Fury Customs. So my color theme is bronze and black. I couldn't be more satisfied with the seat. I'm going to go ahead and turn the camera around and let you guys have a look at the quality in the stitching, the color, the size of the seat. It's just beautiful. I'm very, very pleased with it. This is the new Python seat. I want to call this the short man's version, being that I'm 5'5". I'm vertically challenged. The seat has gel on both the rider and the passenger seating area. Look at the size of the passenger seating area. I mean, it is very comfortable for those long distance rides. The stitching is impeccable, double stitched in each diamond. Each diamond is very soft and pliable, matching backrest. They also made a matching tour pack pad, which I love also. I think it's a very nice look, and it complements my bike very nicely. The rider seating area is definitely scooped out to allow you to sit very low to the ground. I can tell you that the Freedom Series did sit me down a little bit lower to the ground, but in my opinion, it is not nearly as comfortable as this Python. I would rather have the comfort over the maybe half-inch of reach that it gave me. I'm very, very pleased with how this seat turned out. The boys over at BadBoyz Cycle, George and Elias, their customer service is next to nothing. They are top-notch. I mean, there wasn't any hesitation. They said, I got you. So a few weeks later, this seat showed up, and I couldn't be more satisfied with the overall look, comfort, customer service. Man, that was the game changer. Anyway, guys, if you have any questions or interested in this seat, reach out to George or Elias over at BadBoyz Cycles. Tell them your needs, colors that you want. These guys can definitely get you fixed up. My name is Gary. I'm going to post this video on all the Harley forums, so my contact information will be there. If you have any questions, would like any further pictures or anything like that of the seat to help influence you to purchase this seat, just reach out to me and let me know. I promise you, you won't be dissatisfied with the customer service and the quality of the seats. George, Elias, you did it, brothers. Home run on this one, buddy. Anyway, I'm going to get off here now. It is hot, so look There she is. Beautiful. You guys have a great day.